Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to replace the Game Boy Advance battery, which previously using the AA with lithium battery. I got this from eBay. It's coming from China or Taiwan if I'm not mistaken. You can ask me the link on the comment later. So it comes with the cover and also the battery itself. Wow. But it consists of one PCB and also the battery already connected, so no need to do some soldering things. And you can also order specific cover colors. I choose for the dark transparent gray. First of all, you just take off all your batteries from your GBA, and then later you will see this one, and you have to take out this metal plate that the battery connectors. This is quite a little bit hard. If you cannot use it your hand, you can use your screwdriver until you can pop it out and yeah, put it away. And then after that you just need to put the battery. It comes with the battery connector but comes into the opposite way. Yeah, just put it like this, manage the cable, and then put the PCB above the battery. You have to put the connector inside the between battery and also the connectors. It will be locked, and also the PCB is very precise cutted by the provider, and I think it's gonna be like a perfect fit with your Game Boy Advance. After that one, you can just close the battery cover, and this is very surprising me, where the cutoff of the USBC hole is very precise. Let's see, put it first, this one, right? It's very precise. Okay, now let's try to turn on the GBA. Nice, all good then. Battery is connected and the Game Boy Advance is also turned on. Okay, nice, right? Now they say it has light indicators. Let's check with the USB-C like this from this one, and then we plug it in. Wow, yeah, there's an indicator. They say if this battery is already full, it's going to be turned into yellow. So yeah, that's all. Enjoy your GBA with the USB battery. See you guys.